300,000 miles on a Mercedes-Benz means the tires have been replaced at least 5 or 6 times already, and the brand chosen at each swap can either help protect the drivetrain or quietly add stress to it. This comparison looks at Michelin, Continental, and Pirelli on a high-mileage Mercedes, breaking down technology, warranty numbers, part-level consequences, and full cost of ownership. By the end, the recommendation won't just be opinion, it'll be backed by numbers and reasonable assumptions. Here's what most owners don't think about. Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, along with the Airmatic and active body control air suspension available on many E-Class and S-Class models, is sensitive to tire diameter mismatch over time. The 4MATIC transfer case and center differential are calibrated to expect nearly identical rotational speed at all 4 corners. A tread depth difference of just a few millimeters between axles, common when owners skip rotations or mix brands front to rear, creates a persistent speed variance that the center differential's multi-plate clutch pack has to compensate for. Over tens of thousands of miles, that extra work can accelerate wear on the clutch material and contribute to premature failure in the transfer case or center differential. A transfer case rebuild or replacement on a 4MATIC Mercedes can easily run $2,500 to $4,500 in parts and labor. And Airmatic air struts are similarly expensive, often $1,800 to $2,200 per corner, since each strut assembly is a sealed unit rather than a serviceable component. There's a secondary cost too. Uneven tire wear can throw off alignment specs, which accelerates bushing and ball joint wear in the front multi-link suspension, a repair that can run $600 to $900 per side when control arms need replacement. None of this shows up on a receipt labeled tires, and it shows up months later as a drivetrain or suspension bill, and tire choice and maintenance are often a quiet contributing factor. Here's where it matters even more. Mercedes-Benz runs a factory tire certification program marked with an MO stamped directly onto the tire sidewall. This designation means the tire has been jointly developed and validated with Mercedes engineers for certain suspension tuning, NVH targets, load index, and speed rating requirements on specific fitments. AMG performance trims sometimes carry a further MO1 designation, often associated with compounds or constructions tailored to particular AMG applications. Not every tire from Michelin, Continental, or Pirelli carries this marking. It varies by size and model year. But flagship touring and performance lines from all three often do for common Mercedes sizes. Choosing an MO-rated tire generally isn't mandatory, but it does mean the tire's sidewall stiffness, contact patch shape, and NVH characteristics were tuned against the ride and handling targets Mercedes engineers specified, rather than a generic universal fitment. Michelin comes in first as the brand most likely to be recommended for owners planning to keep a Mercedes well past the 300,000-mile mark. A key ultra-high-performance all-season option is the Pilot Sport A/S4, with the Pilot Sport 4S available for owners on sportier trims like the AMG line and the Primacy MX M4 as a quieter, comfort-oriented alternative often used on luxury sedans, including some Mercedes fitments. Michelin backs many of its all-season touring tires with treadwear warranties commonly in the 45,000 to 50,000-mile range among the longer offerings in the ultra-high-performance all-season category, where some competitors offer no mileage warranty at all. The proprietary technology here is Michelin's Helio Plus compound technology, a layered silica and sunflower oil-infused rubber formulation designed to stay pliable in cold temperatures without prematurely hardening, while a firmer cap layer underneath resists heat-driven wear during sustained highway cruising. This dual-layer approach is what allows the tire to hold both winter flexibility and summer durability, a trade-off most single-compound tires struggle to balance. In many tests and owner reports, Michelin often delivers noticeably longer usable tread life than comparable Continental touring tires and grip-focused Pirelli performance lines. The honest drawback? Michelin's flagship tires carry the highest sticker price per tire in this comparison, often around $280 to $340 per tire depending on E-Class or S-Class sizing, and that premium doesn't always translate into dramatically better dry braking distance than Continental's flagship options. For the long-haul math, we'll use reasonable rounded assumptions rather than claiming hard averages. Over 300,000 miles, if we assume roughly 48,000 miles per set on a heavier Mercedes driven mostly on highways, an owner would need about 6 full sets. At a $310 average per tire, that's $1,240 per set, or roughly $7,440 in tires alone. Factor in an alignment at every set change, around $200 each, 6 times, plus periodic rotations, and total tire-related ownership cost lands around $9,000 to $9,500 over the life of the car in this scenario. Continental takes the value and practicality position, and for a high-mileage, daily-driven Mercedes, this is where the math starts to look the most rational. One of Continental's key touring options is the True Contact Tour, with the Extreme Contact DWS 06 Plus available for owners wanting a sportier, still all-season capable alternative. On many sizes, the True Contact Tour carries a 60,000 to 70,000 mile tread wear warranty, which can exceed some comparable Michelin all-season warranties. though real-world wear rates on a heavier Mercedes platform often bring effective tread life down closer to 45,000 to 50,000 miles in practice. The proprietary technology is Continental's EcoPlus technology, a tread compound and groove geometry approach engineered to minimize rolling resistance while encouraging unusually even wear across the entire tread face. This helps keep all four tire diameters closer together for longer, reducing the rotational speed variance that can stress the 4MATIC system. That's the brand's biggest practical advantage. Rotation-friendly, predictable wear that doesn't force early replacement just to protect the drivetrain, plus a tread pattern often designed with a symmetric, non-directional layout that simplifies four-tire rotation schedules. The honest drawback is road noise. Continental's touring compounds tend to generate more cabin noise at highway speed once the tire is 60 to 70% worn, a gap that becomes audible compared to Michelin's quieter compound formulation, especially on concrete highway surfaces. Using the same 300,000-mile, approximately 48,000 miles per set assumption, you're still looking at about 6 sets, but at a meaningfully lower price point, around $230 per tire or $920 per set, totaling about $5,520 in tires. With alignments and rotations included, total ownership cost in this model lands around $6,800 to $7,200, which makes Continental a strong value choice among the three. Pirelli takes the performance position, and it's frequently the factory fitment on AMG and higher performance Mercedes trims straight from the dealer, often carrying the MO1 sidewall marking on many AMG specific sizes. The flagship is the P0, Pirelli's ultra-high performance summer tire, with the Cinturato P7 All-Season Plus and a run-flat P0 variant available for non-AMG trims that prioritize emergency mobility. The P0's treadwear warranty is often non-existent or extremely limited. Many Pirelli UHP summer tires carry no mileage warranty at all because the compound is engineered specifically for grip and cornering performance rather than longevity. The proprietary technology is Pirelli's PNCS, or Pirelli Noise Cancelling System, a polyurethane foam layer bonded to the inner tire liner that absorbs cavity resonance noise, paired with a soft silica-rich compound optimized for dry and wet grip rather than wear resistance or rolling efficiency. In many performance-focused tests, Pirelli's P0 often edges out the Michelin Pilot Sport A/S4 and Continental's Extreme Contact DWS 06 Plus in pure cornering grip and dry braking from highway speeds, which is exactly why AMG trims commonly ship with it from the factory. The drawback is severe for a high-mileage owner. The soft compound wears fast, often lasting only around 20,000 to 28,000 miles, before replacement is necessary under normal mixed driving. The run-flat P0 variant carries a reinforced sidewall that adds unsprung weight to each corner, which can contribute to a harsher ride and may add stress to suspension bushings and ball joints over time, compounding the suspension repair costs mentioned earlier. Over 300,000 miles, assuming a conservative 24,000 miles per set, an owner would need roughly 12 to 13 sets. At around $320 per tire for the P0, that's $1,280 per set, totaling somewhere between about $15,360 and $16,640 in tires alone. Add more frequent alignments due to the aggressive alignment settings and camber-driven wear patterns common on performance setups using these tires, often needed at every other set change rather than every set, and total ownership cost climbs to roughly $18,000 to $19,000 in this scenario, resulting in the highest projected tire-related cost of the three. Laid side by side, the numbers tell the story clearly for a high-mileage daily driver using these assumptions. Michelin lands around $9,000 to $9,500 over 300,000 miles. Continental comes in lowest at roughly $6,800 to $7,200. Pirelli sits far above both at $18,000 to $19,000. That's roughly an $11,000 to $12,000 gap between the lowest and highest modeled options over the life of the car. Money that either stays in an owner's pocket or gets spent chasing cornering grip most daily drivers will never fully use, and that's before factoring in the extra alignment visits and potential suspension wear that a performance-focused Pirelli setup tends to invite. For the track day enthusiast or someone who genuinely drives an AMG trim the way it was engineered to be driven, Pirelli remains the right call. The P0 delivers grip, steering feedback, and braking performance the other two simply can't match in the same way, and that performance is worth the cost to the right driver. For the daily driver logging serious highway miles toward that 300,000-mile mark, Continental is the rational winner in this model, delivering even wear that helps protect the 4MATIC drivetrain, respectable real-world longevity, and the lowest total cost of ownership by a wide margin. Michelin sits in the middle as the balanced choice for owners who want long tread life, quieter cabin refinement, and cold weather flexibility, and are willing to pay a premium for it. In short, Pirelli wins on the track and loses on cost for long-term daily use. Michelin wins on refinement and longevity at a price, and Continental wins on value and drivetrain-friendly wear for anyone planning to keep their Mercedes well past the odometer numbers most owners never see. If a Mercedes is going to make it to 300,000 miles, the engine underneath it needs to make it there too. Subscribe for more high-mileage ownership breakdowns and check out the video on 3 Mercedes S-Class engines that are known to reach 300,000 miles with proper maintenance, because tire choice only matters if what's driving them holds up just as long. Until then, drive safe.